I find inspiration in interactions with people, nature, music, books, everything. I'm very grateful to have gotten a chance to build my life around my art, for all the love that I have received and the opportunity to travel all over telling stories. It's strange that I have captured stories all over, but I have never had the time to create a travel story in my own homeland. There is a certain joy that only comes with exploring new vistas on the road. But it is in the road trip till you have your travel companion to ride with.
To travel is to fall in love, especially if you're in God's own country. There's an experience waiting at every bend.
It's like magical realism happening right in front of you. Silence is something you can actually hear.
The beauty here is breathtaking. There are surreal landscapes all around you to ignite and inspire creativity. I believe that something as simple as a photograph has the power to influence someone positively.